Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have, this is a square root of x divided by 5 and its whole cube is equals to 125, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. This is the cubic equation. This means that this equation has 3 or less than or equals to 3 roots. So we need to find all that roots of this equation. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first step we are going to do is, here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equals to a to the power of n to the power of m. This means that if we interchange both of these two exponents, square root and 3, then it cannot be factored our final answer. So here in this step, we first interchange both of these two exponents, and after interchanging this, we get the remaining values are x divided by 5 and its whole cubed and its square root is equal to 125. So in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and you see that first we just remove this square root sign, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, it will be written as x divided by 5 whole cubed and its whole square root and its square is equals to 125 and its whole square. So this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are x divided by 5 and its whole cubed is equals to 125 and its whole square. And now in the next step, we remove the 3 separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes x cubed divided by 5 cubed is equals to 125 and its whole square. And now we move the term 5 cubed from left hand side to the right hand side, and this will be written as, we have x cubed is equals to, we write this 125 as 5 cubed and its whole square, and when we move 5 cubed here, it will becomes 5 cubed only. So here you see that the base of both of these two terms are same, and you see here the exponent of this term is 2 and the exponent of this term is 1. So we add both of these two exponents and we get here 5 cubed and its whole cubed. And in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and you know about that this 5 cubed is equals to 125 and its whole cubed. And now we move this term from right hand side to the left hand side, and we obtain x cubed minus 125 cubed and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and this will be written as, here we use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this rule, we extend the above equation as in this form. Here the first factor is a minus b. You see that the value of a is x and the value of b is 125. So we substitute both of these two values here, and we get x minus 125 times of x square plus x times of 125 plus 125 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 125 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 125 x plus 125 square is equals to 0. And in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and we have, from this case, we easily get the value of x is equals to 125. This is the first root of the given equation, and you see that this is the quadratic equation. In order to solve this, we need to use the quadratic formula, and for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are: a is equals to 1, b equals to 125, and c is equals to 125 and its whole square. So we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c. The value of b is 125, and we put it here. It will becomes minus 125 plus minus square root of 125 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 125 square, and this is divided by 2 times of a, and the value of a is equals to 1. And now further we need more simplifications here, and now we focus on the square root sign, and inside the square root sign we have 125 square be the common term. After take it common, we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1, and 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now further in the next step, we break the square root sign and we apply the square root sign separately on both of these two values, and we get minus 125 plus minus square root of the 125 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we have minus 125 plus minus this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here 125. And here you see that inside the square root sign we have a negative sign, so we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, it will becomes here iota, and we write it as square root of 3 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, in which the first root is x1 equals to 125 be the first real root of the given equation, and x2 is equals to minus 125 plus 125 times of square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. This is the second root of the given equation, and the third root is also complex root, and it is minus 125 minus 125 times square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. These are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.